Hi, my name is Barry Mitchell. I'm part of a team called Uncovering Greatness, and for over a decade I've worked with thousands of entrepreneurs, business owners, and individuals around the world to help them make a lot more money. During that time I've been really blessed to work very closely with Rich Dad advisor Blair Singer and with Rich Dad himself, Robert Kiyosaki. And today I represent both Blair Singer and Robert Kiyosaki as their lead trainers in South Africa and Africa. So the question I want to ask you is, do you realize that there's a lot more money in the world today than there ever has been before? However, one of the biggest things that I come across when I'm working with businesses and business owners is the one thing that I consistently see as people tell me they don't have enough money. One of the biggest reasons why businesses fail is lack of cash flow. Money. One of the reasons people can't expand is lack of money. Well, if money is consistently growing year on year, month on month, week on week around the world because of things like governments print more money, economies are growing, and with the advent of things like cryptocurrency that has become a billion-dollar industry over the last decade. The question I'm going to ask you is, how much more of that money have you had access to? Or are you, like most people, you're struggling to make money? And the number one reason for that, I believe, is because most of us go to school. Well, pretty much all of us go to school, and the one thing we never taught at school is how to make money. We're not taught about money, and we're not taught how to make money. We're taught go to school, get a great education, get a good job, but we're not taught what does it take to really make money. And there's a couple of secrets to making money. The secrets that 5% of the world really understand and 95% of the world don't. So I'm going to be running a program called Make More Money. Not only make more money, but make a lot more money in a lot less time. And if you're interested in, doesn't matter where you're at in your journey, in your business, if you want to learn how to make a lot more money, why don't you come and join myself and my Uncovering Greatness team for 3 hours of a free event where I'll take you through a process of some key secrets that I've learned from the likes of Robert Kiyosaki, Blair Singer, and some of the Rich Dad advisors that'll help you make a lot more money going into the next 12 months, but not only make a lot more money, do it in a lot less time. Click on the link below. Really looking forward to see you there.